Let's talk about the 5 types of freebies that you can use in generating leads for your online business. Now, I've said it many times in the past, if you have a business, whether online or offline, and you have not figured out a way to generate leads, you obviously do not have a business. Your business is going to die a slow death. Leads are the lifeblood of any business, whether it's physical or online. Now, these 5 types of freebies that I'm going to share with you, I'm also going to share with you how you can get that started as well. Hey, my name is Daniel, and I help online coaches and consultants create a marketing strategy to help them market their services, their products, their offerings better so they can make more money and improve their bottom line. And if you're looking to work together, I'll leave a link down in the description. Reach out to me if you have an online course, if you're coaching or a consultant. Let's get talking. Anyways, these are the 5 types of freebies that you can create today to start generating leads for your business. And the number 1 freebie that you can create is an ebook, a case study, or an how-to guide. Now, ebooks are the easiest ones to start with because 1, they are very easy to create. It doesn't have to be super long. You can just condense what you know right now that can help other people, achieve something into a very short ebook between 10, 20 pages, maybe 30 pages, or an ebook can just be as long as you want it to be. Or it can also be a case study. Now, a case study is just a way to document something that you've done in the past, to share your success, to share your wins, or to just document how something was done. And the 3rd in this category is an how-to guide. An how-to, just like the name implies, simply shows another person how you can get something done, how to do something. And if you're looking for a way to get all of this done, there's a free tool that I will share with you, and it's called attract.io. Now, attract.io is just a free tool by Lead Pages that helps you create all of these things from already made templates. So all you have to do is click on whatever templates you want to create. Maybe that's a case study, an ebook, an how-to guide, and just fill in the blanks with your own event and proceed to publish it. So you can either share the link or you can download this file as a PDF. Now, let's go to the 2nd type of freebie that you can create, and that is an email course. Now, courses are very popular. That's why you're watching this video, because you're either creating a course or maybe you're planning to do one. Now, an email course is just a series of emails that show someone how to do something or that pass across a certain type of information. Just like your ebook, you can either take the content of your ebook and make it into a series of emails in step-by-step process. Say on day 1, you want to teach them how to get something started. Day 2, you give them a certain information related to the information that you shared on day 1. And day 3, you follow up with another information that you shared on day 2, and day 4, and day 5, day 6, and so on and so forth. So on the final day of your email, you can then present them with an offer. Now, this has proven to work for a lot of people, but it's not the most ideal type of freebie because a lot of people just don't have that attention span, and you cannot really say or predict with success or with accuracy where your email is going to land. Some people might receive the email on day 1 and it goes into the junk or promotions folder on day 2. But if you have a large list, or maybe you're generating a lot of leads, I would say this will be ideal for you. So an email course, a series of emails that drips every day or every other day to your prospective customer. So that is another form of freebie that you can create to generate leads today. Now, let's go to the 3rd one, which is an evergreen webinar. Now, a webinar is just a video that explains something, or maybe that shares information and that has an offer at the end of it. Now, an evergreen webinar is just a video that plays over and over and over again. It could be every 15 minutes, it could be every day, it could be every hour, whatever you want to choose. That's what an evergreen webinar does. So you sit in front of the camera, you record your video or your presentation one time, you upload that into a software, an online software, and that you can direct your customers, you can generate leads with it, have people watch the webinar, give you your email before they actually watch the webinar, and you can show them the webinar afterwards and then present them with an offer or sell something after the webinar. So that's what an evergreen webinar does for you. And this is proven to be very successful for a lot of people, for a lot of the clients I work with right now. Evergreen webinar has been the biggest lead generator for a lot of them, and I'm pretty sure it can work for you if you have a content that you want to share it in an evergreen webinar and try that out. Now, for the first one, which is a free course. Now, like the evergreen webinar, a free course is just what it sounds like, a course. right? But it's free. Now, you don't want to put in a lot of, too much effort into this. Now, not putting in too much effort does not mean that it's not going to be packed with value or it's going to be low quality. No, it doesn't have to be. But pick certain parts of your existing product that you're trying to sell and make that into a 45 minutes to an hour long video content that still offers some type of value that your prospective audience or your customer might find helpful. And you can promote that as your course. So you can collect emails for them to watch that part of your program. So for that 45 minutes, 1 hour, you put that on a website, people give you their emails or their contact information like you've requested it, and they will be directed to that email course to go watch it. Now, after the email course, you can then invite them to purchase or to enroll in the full program. But this is a very a strong way to get people to, trust you, because you're offering so much upfront, and now they feel like, they owe you something. Or if you are convincing enough, they will think, okay, now I can enroll in the full program if what they find in the free course has been valuable enough. So you want to put much of your attention into the content of that free program. Because it's free does not mean it has to be less valuable. You should put in the same type of effort you put into your program or into your final product, into the free course as much as you can, because that will be your first touch or your first impression. And you know what they say about first impressions? It lasts longer. Now, let's go to the fifth type of freebie that you can create. Now, this is not really a freebie, but it's a type of a low hanging fruit, and I call it the low ticket offer. Now, low ticket offers are just a way to really validate your idea. Now, low ticket offer can be an ebook, it can be an email, it can be a short course, right? Now, it can either be any of these two things, but the purpose of a low ticket offer is to mostly cover the cost of advertising. Say you are running ads to a final product, right? Which could be anywhere from, $97 to $9.97, or maybe you're running a higher ticket offer, right? A low ticket item could be an ebook that people can purchase for, say, $4.99 or $27 or $29, right? And with that ebook or that course that you're selling for that low amount, you can then upsell them into something more expensive, or by getting them into your funnel, you can follow up with them using emails and other strategies that you have and selling them on a higher ticket product. So you're not giving away something for totally free, but you're actually making some money off of it. So you're running Facebook ads and it costs you about $4 or maybe $10 to generate a lead, right? But you're selling the product for $19. So you're already making a $9 profit off of that, first offer that you're offering them. So you're not just giving something for free and hoping that they purchase in the future. You've already covered the cost of acquiring that lead, which is, that $9 profit that you have there. So the fifth one is not exactly a freebie, but it's something that you can try out. If you know that you have something valuable, if you know that your product is good enough, you can turn that into a low ticket item that could sell from anywhere from $2.99 to $29 and at least cover the cost of lead acquisition. So that way you can follow up with them with a higher price product on the back end. So these are the 5 types of freebies that you can use to generate leads today. And these are all of the, the same strategies that we use for our current clients. And you can also try them out. Try out any one of these things and see what works for you. So if you found value in this video, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below if you have any questions specifically. And if you want to work together, you can reach out to me. I'll leave a link down in the description. You can send me an email or just book a call and let's get on a call and see how we can help you accomplish your goals. And I will see you in the next video.